How to write your cover letter using ChatGPT. Are you struggling to write a cover letter? Let ChatGPT guide you through the process and help you create a standout letter. Artificial intelligence seems to be the latest buzzword, and ChatGPT has been in the news as increasing numbers of people are learning about the platform and exploring its benefits. If you're a skeptic, you may wonder how well the platform works and if there are any drawbacks to using artificial intelligence to help you with your job search. 1. Create your ChatGPT account. If you don't already have an account, starting your ChatGPT account is simple. Go to the site chat.openai.com, and you'll see a prompt to open your account or sign up. You'll need to have your mobile phone close, since you'll receive a 6-digit code sent to your phone via text to confirm your registration. Once you've confirmed your registration, you're ready to get started. 2. Introduce yourself to ChatGPT. Before ChatGPT can write a cover letter for you, you need to introduce yourself to the platform, so it knows who it's writing for. You should cultivate your introduction as if introducing yourself in a job interview. The only difference in this introduction is that the platform hasn't seen your resume, so you'll need to share information about your education and work experience. Your introduction will help the AI get to know you, your past work experiences, and your area of expertise. Share the school you graduated from and the degree you earned. Include your various jobs and work experience. 3. Submit a job description. Once you've completed your introduction and ChatGPT knows more about you, you can ask the platform to write a cover letter based on your submitted job description. Providing the platform with the requirements, duties, and responsibilities will help the AI understand what it needs to include in the cover letter. Remember, the key to an effective cover letter is customizing it to the job you're applying for. If you're applying for several jobs, you can submit the job descriptions for each job you're applying for. 4. Prompt ChatGPT to write your cover letter. Once you've submitted the job description, the next step is to ask for a cover letter. You may notice that the platform embellishes your qualifications to help increase your chances of getting the job. For example, the cover letter to be a writer for World Atlas talks about a bachelor's degree in geography, which wasn't mentioned in the introduction. You can ask the platform to create different cover letter versions to focus on other skills or experiences. For example, here's one focusing on writing skills. And here's another cover letter focusing on soft skills. 5. Proofread and review the generated cover letter. Once the AI generates your cover letters, you'll want to review them to check for misrepresentations, geography degree, or mistakes. You'll want to proofread the letters before sending anything out. ChatGPT warns you on its homepage that it may generate incorrect information, so you must do your due diligence before submitting a cover letter developed on this platform. This is important because the platform admits to sometimes producing harmful or biased content. It would be best to treat the cover letters the AI generates as the basis of the cover letter you'll send. You can add anything the AI missed or emphasize areas you think the employer should notice. ChatGPT pulls out some of the most critical elements of the job posting and tries to understand the intention behind the post. You'll need to put in some personal information about yourself and what makes you stand out from other applicants before you submit your application. Work smarter, not harder. ChatGPT is a platform that allows you to work smarter, not harder. You can generate documents using AI and have them as the foundation for projects you need to complete. Whether you're writing a cover letter or a resume, AI can help you create them more efficiently. The documents won't be perfect, but you can make changes and corrections as necessary and be confident that the platform has touched on the critical elements the employer wants to see, since AI can help you focus on addressing the points in the job description.